Hello friends, it's me wearing the Bubu gown with collar and a snatched waist. If you're interested in this tutorial, join me on this. Let's do that. Welcome back once again to my channel. Welcome back to Naked Handmade. Today I just want to share with you how I made this interesting Bubu gown. The material has been listed on the screen, and let's get there. I double folded my fabric. Is a lace fabric into 4. So as you can see me, I have placed my tape and mark 60 inches for gown length. Then after that, at that where I'm touching right now, the folded part of it is where we're going to input our measurement. Here I input neck width of 3 inches. Then after that, the back neck depth of 1 inch I input there. I'm sorry my hand cover part of this, but you will see that as you keep watching. And connect the line in neck using my free hand. Then after that, I have to cut out the back neckline first. I'll use this bias tape that I'm showing you to bind the neckline and you can see before then I have to notch the center part of the neck to determine the next measurement. I have to notch it. At that point, I have to come down by 3 inches. That is the front depth neckline. Connect it at that 3 inches width at the shoulder. Then at that point of 3 inches for front neckline, you stop. You have to step down by 4 inches there and mark the line. Then after that, before we cut out the front neckline, we have to open it up. I would like you to watch, and I've done that already. You can see the front side and the back side of this. Here I've cut out the front neckline there. Then at that point, we step out at 4 inches point. I just slit that part and open it up. As you can see, the front and back neckline is there. The next thing is to use the bias tape to bind the edges. Using bias tape to bind all the edges. We measure the collar, the round neckline. This is how we're going to measure that. As you can see, 21 inches for collar length. I step by 17 inches. That is my waistline point. And draw a line. My chalk is kind of faint. I don't know whether you're seeing that. I have divided my bust span of 9 inches, 4 inches at this side and 4 inches the other side. I'm gonna use this sequence for the belt. 11 inches and 3 inches by width. This is how it's going to be. That's my waist point. Here I'm going to sew that. I've done that already. Here I want to share with you the inside of it, how it's going to be. I prepared a strap from the same material like I'm showing you right now. At that point that I sewed the belt at the front part is where we're going to attach the strap and sew that at the back side. The reason for the belt is to tie that on your waist while wearing your gown. Now I've already measured the collar, and now this is the collar we're going to use, the sequence and the lining for that. Placing it this way, sew from that direction through here to stop the other side. You can see our gown is ready. It's on my dummy now. Here I have to step by 13 inches at that point and take my measurement. It's only hip measurement that this gown required. Using that stone to embellish both the belt. Okay, and now I can see my table is too small to contain this. I have to lay my gown on the floor for easy measurement. You can see the point I have. This is the center line that I'm taking right now for us to take the measurement at that point. Then the next one, I have to step down from 13 inches to my shoulder. That is my sleeve opening point. Then at that center part, you draw a line. Is where we're going to input our hip measurement divided by 4 plus 3 inches. It's only hip measurement that I required here. Then at that sleeve point where it stopped my line, we'll mark it from that point. Mark a straight line to the down part of it. That is the hem side. When you're done with that, you do the same to the other side as well. My sleeve opening length of 13 inches, hip divided by 4 plus 3 inches. Draw the line straight to the down part. The next thing is to stitch the two sides to the machine. Take it to a machine and stitch the two sides. And our Bubu gown is ready. As you can see it here, the sequence, the color, and also I embellish it with stones, like you see me pointing at it, and also the belt to look neat. And the letter I make a camisole is a separate one anyway. My lace is a see-through material. I decided to create this and make for the lace. If your lace is not a see-through material, you don't need this. So our camisole is ready. Our Bubu gown is ready. If you are still there and still watching my channel, I appreciate your time very well. Thank you so much for your time. If you want to see more of this my tutorial, keep watching my videos for more interesting tutorial. I'm still Nikki Handmade. Bye bye.